Did you know that you can now generate money online by using Google? In today's video, I'll show you a completely new website that we haven't even discussed yet, which you can use in combination with Google to earn $210 over and over again. And because many of you are from different parts of the globe, I can guarantee you that this strategy currently works from anywhere on the earth. Also, as you can see right here, you may be able to pay out your money via PayPal, Bitcoin, web money, Paytm, AirTM, Payer, bank transfer, and a variety of other methods, which is absolutely fantastic. Later in the video, I'll show you a Google trick that you probably didn't know about. And if you use it, you'll be able to double or triple your potential earnings. So if you're interested in what I'm talking about, make sure to watch till the ending to learn everything there is to know about this technique. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Plug, where we connect you to anything that will help you earn quick money online. On this channel, we love to give away free money, and we're giving away $100 worth of gift cards in PayPal to 10 lucky people once our channel hits 15,000 subscribers. To enter this exciting giveaway, I need you to follow the exact instructions and the unique code that are given in the middle of this video. So make sure you watch all the way to the end to know the exact approach. Now here are the winners for the previous $50 giveaways. Congratulations! You just won for viewing all of my videos and entering unique codes. You can be the next one to win if you follow all the steps to enter the giveaways. Now just before we dive into the tutorial, smash that thumbs up button if you like this kind of content. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell for you to be notified every time a video is uploaded. Now let's jump right into the video so I can show you everything. First and foremost, I'd like you to check our platform's payment proofs for today to see whether my method is actually legitimate. The payment date, the people who received payment, the amount of money they collected, and the payment method they used are all listed here. Now you have a rough sense of how much money you may make from this website in minutes. However, you'll see that they all have different payment options. You don't have to be concerned though, because as you can see, they accept a variety of payment methods, including PayPal, Payeer, Paytm, Skrill, and others. By the way, the name of our platform for today's plan is Shrinkme, and it can be found at shrinkme.io. As you can see on their homepage, shortening distinct URLs from any platform can earn you money online. Below that, you can notice that this platform is the highest paying URL shortener, and that by registering here, you will be able to earn $220. Now, if you scroll down, you'll notice 3 simple actions that you must follow in order to begin making money. To start, you must first create an account. After that, you'll shorten some links from the internet. Finally, you'll be able to make money on the spot. Stay with me because I'll show you exactly how to do these tasks so you can complete all of the procedures successfully. Additionally, as I previously stated, I will also provide you with some Google tricks in the end to help you double or triple your potential earnings on this platform. So please bear with me. Now, let's look at how you can complete the first step. To create a free account, go to the top right corner of your screen and click the Register button. After that, you'll be directed to this page where you'll be asked to enter your username, email address, and password. Shrinkme will immediately give you $1 as a sign-up bonus when you sign up for a free account. And if you gain $5 on this site, you can begin cashing out your earnings as seen above. Furthermore, it is stated right here that you will get paid daily, which is something I appreciate about our current method. Finally, you may read about various preferred payment methods for various nations right here. Allow me to share our approach to this strategy now that we've completed the first phase of this platform. We'll use the following strategy today. We'll go to YouTube and search for videos in a specific genre. Finally, we'll copy the links to all of those YouTube videos and paste them into Shrinkme to shrink the links so we can make some money online. Let me explain what I'm talking about in greater depth if you're still not sure what I'm talking about. Because YouTube videos have very long URLs, you shorten them to get people to click on them. After you've shortened URL links on Shrinkme, you copy and paste them onto other platforms. Shrinkme will then pay you every time someone clicks on your shortened link. It's as simple as that. Now I want you to keep watching this guide in order to gain a better understanding of our method for today. Let me demonstrate the various payment rates you could receive right now. You'll notice on your screen that this platform will provide opportunities for people from all around the world to earn money. However, you may see that various payment rates are applied to various countries all around the world. For example, if individuals from Greenland will click on your link, you can earn $22. You will also receive $7 if individuals in the United States click on your link, and so on. As you can see, if different people from all around the world click on your link, you could earn a variety of different sums of money. That is why, as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, I will teach you a very important Google trick. Stick with me since the stated Google trick will allow you to double or triple your money. Now, just before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to be entered to win $100, make sure to watch until the end of the video to find out the code word to enter and win. But for now, it's time to get back to work and continue making money. Right now, the first thing you should do is go to YouTube and look for videos that a lot of people are interested in, so that you can acquire a lot of views. Videos about weight loss, on the other hand, are something I can't endorse. As a result, I'd like you to look for weight loss videos in your search field. After that, you may select and play your videos by clicking on them. Finally, you'll need to copy the URL for this video by clicking on the share button right now, here below, and then selecting the copy button right here. It's time to go back to shrinkme.io now that you've got the link to your video. After that, you'll copy and paste your link into this box. Then click this arrow to shorten it. You'll be able to view your shortened link right here once you've done that. Finally, you'll need to copy the shortened link because it'll be crucial to your online money making success today. Right now, what I need you to do is go to google.com and you'll need to find weight loss forums in this search field. I need you to do so because those forums will be the exact platforms on which you will paste your shortened video link, and those forums will have a large number of users from all around the world who may be interested in your business. This way, you'll be able to drive more traffic to your shortened link and thus make more money. To do so, simply put weight loss forums into your browser search box and click on any of the results. For example, I'll select this one, which will send me to their weight loss forums. This now is the ideal time to pay close attention to everything I'm saying, because I'm about to teach you how to double or triple your profits in a short period of time. Returning to forums, you'll need to sign up for a free account in order to paste your links. For this forum, for example, you can register by clicking the register link at the top. After that, you'll be directed to another page where you'll be asked to enter personal information, such as your username, password, and email address, and among other things. You might run into a registration process similar to this on the other forums, so make sure you register for a free account. Now, bear in mind that the more forums you find, the more links you'll be able to share. This means the more people will be able to see your links, which means you'll be able to earn more and more money. However, because you'll need individuals from specific countries to see your shortened links in order to make the most money, it's time to employ the Google trick I mentioned earlier. This is my unique strategy, which I'd like to share with you. Now, after you've searched for weight loss forums, go to the top right corner and click the settings icon. After that, select Advanced Search from the drop-down menu, which will take you to this page. Now pay close attention to the region section below, which I'll need you to click on. You'll be able to see a lot more countries after you've clicked that, but I need you to find Greenland below and click it. You'll be able to filter your searches for weight loss forums in Greenland this way, which will result in you earning $22 per click. Isn't that amazing? After you've submitted your shortened link to all of the Greenland-bound forums, you can modify the region from the settings. For example, you can alter the location to Ireland, which will pay you $16 for each click. You can, of course, repeat the procedure as needed to achieve the best outcomes. If you follow all of my suggestions, you can triple your earnings or even make $210 within minutes. And that sums up today's tutorial. Now onto the giveaway. If you want to be entered to win one of 10 $100 gift cards, all you need to do is subscribe to our channel, like this video, and comment the code word Google Trick. Once again, enter the code word Google Trick and you'll be entered to win once we hit 15,000 subscribers. It's that easy. And if you would like more chances to win, there are more code words in other videos on our channel. So be sure to watch some of our other recent uploads if you want a better chance of winning. For more content like this, go on and check out my other videos too, so you'll maximize your results in making that big pile of cash straight into your accounts.